Today's session, I will show you how to create single part out of assembly component in Solid Edge. So this is the assembly component I have, which is available in your training folder of Solid Edge root directory. So here you can see all the components are inserted here and one whole grinder assembly has been created. Now what I want to do, I want to create a single part of this assembly. For that purpose, we have a command which is called simplified. So for that purpose, we have to just click on the simplify. Then here you have to select the model and we are entering into the simplify environment. Here you have to select the auto simplify and then select the component. Here from here you can remove the features like holes, slots will be removed. Okay, I will keep this button on and just click on OK and just click finish. Now here when I close and return to main body, here you can see simplified component has been created. I will make this as a show only. So here you can see this is a single component has been created. Now what you have to do, just right click here, go to the save as, and from here suppose I want to save that model is here as a single part grinder. Okay, now it is saved. Now I want to show all assembly and I will delete that feature from here. I don't want to make any changes in this assembly. Okay, I will click simply save and go to the open, and here in single part you can see that part has been created. You can open that component and you can make this body as activate. Okay, here there are multiple options to activate the bodies, like you can activate bodies turn into the construction body. So similarly you can create your single component. You can, if you want to check the section views, you can check the section views also. So here we have option to create a section views. I want to create section views from this to this point. So here you can this is totally solid. So this command you can use in case you don't want to share what is inside or what are the components are created. You just want to the outer body of the uh, assembly. In that case, you can use this command. Thank you.